The constant cycle of communication between our brain and our bodies creates a set of memorized feeling states, with one of those states generally being the default or dominant state. This dominant feeling state is the same as your vibrational frequency. Repeating the same thoughts and feelings over the course of many years conditions the body to remember those feelings. And this can sometimes be a state of being or frequency that isn't desirable or that doesn't align with how we truly want to feel and what we truly want to manifest. When we think about a highly charged emotional experience, whether advantageous or not, we cause the brain to fire in the same manner as it did during the original event. And this reinforces the circuits that cause it to be easily conjured up again. Unconscious repetition trains the body to remember emotional states. When the body remembers how to feel in this way, unconsciously, it becomes a habit. Although this happens automatically and can be detrimental if the experience was negative, we can use the same set of physiological rules to our advantage. We have the ability to influence our automatic state of being by initiating repeated conscious efforts of our choosing until the subconscious creates the new dominant habit. And if we're able to do this regardless of what is happening around us in any moment, we can carry a vibration that resonates more clearly with the things that we want most. Simply put, when we feel good, we attract good things to us because we are matching that frequency. Try the following exercise to reinstall a new dominant state of being or vibrational frequency that aligns with experiences that you would like to manifest. This exercise will help you develop a new habit of maintaining that state throughout your daily routine when distractions can sometimes throw us off track. Take a few deep breaths and become aware of your whole body from head to toe. Just breathe and relax. Now take a few moments to find a part of your body that feels especially nice. This could be a warm tingle in your hands. It might be the feeling of love in your heart. Or it could be a happy thought that you're holding in your mind. If you have difficulty finding an area that feels good to you, simply think of an emotional experience that made you feel happy, and notice where on your body that sensation shows itself to you. Next, as you tune into this good feeling, focus your attention on that part of your body that has the nice sensation. Imagine this sensation as a color. This can be any color that you choose, or any color that automatically shows itself to you. Now begin to see this color spreading from this area on your body into all of the other areas of your body. Just take a few moments to imagine it filling every part of you, from your head to your toes, and feel how wonderful this feeling feels throughout your entire body. Now, as you continue to hold this feeling throughout your body, begin to look around the room you're in. Keep part of your attention on this feeling and its color, and use another part of your attention to observe your surroundings. If you notice that the good feeling starts to fade, or you suddenly become aware that you've stopped focusing on it as you're looking outside of yourself, then just return to the good feeling. Imagine the color once again consuming your body and how great the sensation feels. When you have that good feeling back, start to look around the room you're in again. This step will help you maintain this good feeling while being able to observe what is happening around you. As soon as you become comfortable looking around while being able to hold that good feeling inside of you, begin to walk around the room you're in. Again, if you notice the good feeling starting to fade, go back to your body until you're reconnected with it. When you're able to easily walk around and still hang on to the good feeling in your body, find some other people to interact with. You can do this in person or on the phone. Remember to keep part of your attention with the good feeling in your body and part of it focused on the person you are interacting with. Once again, anytime you notice the good feelings start to fade, simply recenter yourself enough to reconnect with it again. In practicing this exercise daily, you are training your mind and body that you can be in outward situations that have no control of how you choose to feel. The way you feel can come completely from an internal level. This takes you from reactor to creator. Once you've established new circuits between the brain and the body in this manner, they will become unconscious, automatic habits. At this point, the body will remember the dominant state of being that you choose for it to carry. You may not feel this way in every situation or moment, but you will always have the power to revert back to it at will. And once you are carrying a lighter, happier, more joyful default emotional state, you line up much more quickly with the things you desire.